Ngistana yini nice lapha ama-drugs. Yini manje inkinga naye ne-videographer yakhe imenzeni? No, bayazwana no. Yeah, bebangakhokhelana nangithi manje ingoma leya.
Angitsheleni, what's the purpose of iphela?
Iphela qala isaba ivile. Aziwa
What's the purpose of iphela?
Iphela lesaba ivile phela ngathi ime subscription. Yazi lento le. Amaphela asaba ime subscription.
What's going on? Make up.
Shop right siyaziyo in stock is fresh. Which shop right? Ngoba yasephumula ke last number ke.
Everyone usitshele ntanga isex yakho skinny njani? Ayikwazi nje whoever you are so addicted. There's no coming back.
Yeah, there's no coming back.
There's no coming back.
Anyway, you can come back, man.
Come.
Come. Sweet. No.